how to change a theme on Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will tell you how you guys can simply change the theme of your Shopify store. So the process is very simple. Simply click on the left side on online store, and then after that click on themes. As soon as you guys click on themes, that's gonna take you over here. So now over here you guys have all the theme you have going on. You guys are gonna see it over here, and then below that you guys can also see your themes and library. You guys can simply click on explore free themes, and that's gonna show you all the themes that are absolutely free for you guys to use. You guys have many different themes that you guys can use, and you guys can simply pick any one of these by simply clicking on it. And then below that you also have the Shopify theme store, and over here you guys have hundreds and hundreds of Shopify themes that you guys can start using right away. So guys, that is how you guys can change the themes on your Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.